Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a newsletter with Substack, detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a newsletter with Substack, first, navigate to Substack's homepage. Click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. You can sign up using your email address or through your Google account. Once you've signed up, you'll be prompted to create your profile. Fill in your name and a brief description of your newsletter. Choose a unique URL for your newsletter that reflects its theme or brand. Next, select your newsletter's category from the options provided. This helps potential readers understand what to expect. After setting up your profile, you'll see the dashboard. Click on the New Post button to start creating your first newsletter. In the post editor, give your newsletter a compelling title. Follow that with engaging content that speaks to your audience. You can format your text using the tools available, such as headings and lists. Incorporate images or links to enhance your newsletter visually. Once your content is ready, preview it to ensure it looks good. Make any necessary edits before moving on. When satisfied, select whether you want to publish immediately or schedule it for later. If publishing immediately, click on the Publish button to send it out. You'll receive a confirmation once it's live. Encourage readers to sign up by sharing your newsletter link on social media. Regularly engage with your audience through consistent publishing. This data will help you refine your approach over time. Keep your content fresh and relevant to maintain reader interest. You're now ready to create and grow your newsletter on Substack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.